I'm back again today with a polka dot pour using some Liquitex Prism Violet acrylic ink, 4 drops and about 1.69 ounces of resin, some Liquitex Bright Orange, 4 drops and 1.18 ounces of resin, some purple mica, 2 tiny scoops and 1.01 ounces of resin, some Quinacridone Magenta by Liquitex acrylic ink, 2 drops and about 1.7 ounces for my push, and then Let's Resin Ocean White. I believe there was 2 drops and 1.18 ounces of resin. This is in our Crystal Edge Mold A, which doesn't get enough love. It's a beautiful mold. I'm using Pro Resin by Resin Pro, and I waited till it was 32 degrees Celsius using my digital thermometer. As you see, it's getting a little warmer and ready to set up, and it's letting the polka dots stay solid. I think when they start leaking and moving, the resin is just not warm enough. So using that digital thermometer does help. I poured the purple, the violet, Prism Violet, on the bottom, and now I'm using the bright orange to make little polka dots. This pour was inspired by Sunfire Designs. I love this pouring technique so much, I might just use it for all my pours moving forward. Now I'm taking the mica and pouring little polka dots on top of the orange polka dots. Sunfire Designs comes up with some pretty crafty pouring recipes here, and I love it that the dots are staying in place. I've always found that purple and orange blend really well together. Doesn't seem like they would, but they do. Now I've decided, which was not part of the pouring recipe, to put the excess orange around the edges. My friend Mo from Germany does this in her pours and it doesn't go wrong, so why not? Now I'm taking the white and putting polka dots on top of the mica polka dots. Everything's looking pretty good right now. This is pretty easy to do, not even having to use a pipette. I then decided to take my extra purple that I had left over and ring that around the outside as well. I did not do this with the white because too much white scares me. I now take the Quinacridone Magenta Push and put it in the center. I did mix up 7 ounces of resin for this to begin with, and now I'm just scraping some glass and glitter into the center that's been wet with a little bit of resin. Look at that resin move. Now it's time to demold. Wow, there's a lot of pink in there and the orange kind of disappeared. It's still bright and colorful. Let us know what you think in the comments below.